Hey everyone, welcome back to Beauty by Dinah, my YouTube channel. I miss you guys so much. So let's get started with this tutorial, y'all. The first thing I want to let you guys know that this is my hair vendor. Also, this is going to be my hair company in the future. I am showing you guys 4 bundles along with a matching frontal. This is a transparent pre-plucked frontal with 150 density. It is the best of the best. I'm not even gonna lie. I've been working with this vendor for 5 years, and I must say the quality of this hair is phenomenal. Okay, not just because it's my brand, but because I know how good quality hair is. So of course, when you have frontals, they have these little black dots. So I went ahead and bleached the knots on the frontal, and also use blue shampoo to tone out any brassy tones from the frontal. And as you guys can see, this frontal is giving very much scalp. Okay, listen, you guys can see that it is just doing the damn thing. Okay, it's looking realistic. I went ahead and also made the wig off camera, and this is the very last track that I'm just sewing, and then I'm going to show you guys how I cut the axis cap underneath, being very careful not to cut the thread. Okay, I'm just cutting it going around the frontal and just not going towards where the thread is. So I'm putting the wig back on the canvas head, and I'm just showing you guys how the wig looks like. It's giving very much natural already, and I'm just here for it. I'm loving it already. So these are the products that I'm going to be using for this hair tutorial. As you guys can see, L'Oreal High Color, High Lift, along with all of the other products. I'm going to list them down below. This product is amazing. I got it off of Amazon. This is the magenta color from the L'Oreal High Lift, and I'm just going to pop that color open, and then this tool here will be able to help me squeeze out any product that I have left from the tube. Okay, I want to give you guys a little bit of background information on the process of what I'm doing. So this process is called decolorization. So decolorization is specifically formulated to create maximum levels of lift and toning with a single application. Most high lift colors are mixed with double proportions of 30 volume developer and 40 volume developer to get the color that you desire. So you always have to look at the manufacturer's directions to be able to get the specific color that you want. So as you guys can see, the color of my hair is the number 1, and I'm trying to get it to number 4, which is red. This natural hair color, or even an artificial hair color, will be diffused from the hair, so it will be pulled out from the hair, right? The amount of change will depend on the desired strength of the developer, along with the chosen product, which is the L'Oreal High Color Lift, and the length of the time it is processed. So the amount of change, which means the amount of color, L'Oreal High Color, along with the 30 volume developer, plus the time it will take, will depend on how the product processes. Do you guys understand now? Okay. So that's just a little bit of background information of what I'm doing. Okay, as you guys can see, I am really trying to saturate this hair with as much product as I need to be able to cover the whole entire head. I did originally get like 8 boxes of the magenta, and then 1 box of the red color. So for the back portion, like the bundles, I used just the magenta and 30 volume developer. So with finding hair vendors, I know a lot of people find difficulties in finding their vendors and stuff, but I feel like if you really want something, you have to put in the work and the effort to get what you desire in life. It wasn't easy for me to find this vendor. I did went through several vendors. I did spend hundreds of dollars on hair bundles and frontals and all of that, and it wasn't the best quality. It didn't take the color the right way, and at one point I was very, very discouraged, but I didn't give up. I also did some research on Instagram and also YouTube. YouTube is the number one platform where you could get a lot of information from other people, from other like hairstylists, from other black owned businesses, from other people who have businesses, and they will be able to like break it down for you on how to be able to find the perfect vendor for you, and that you can be able to afford. So yeah. Okay, so moving along with the frontal, I proceeded to do a middle part so everything could be even on both sides. This portion of the frontal, I used magenta. I'm going to go very closely, but not really touching the lace to stain it. I'm using this rat tail comb that I got on Shein, and it's getting really close to like the roots, but not touching the lace. So I'm going to be using this foil technique. It's called weaving, y'all. So this is going to be alternating selective strands of hair within the section of the hair. With the weaving technique, I started with magenta first, and then the next section would be the L'Oreal High Color Lift in the color red. So the red would give dimensions to the hair, to give a little bit of highlights. So it's going to be like highlights and lowlights. That's the kind of vibe that I'm going for this wig. And I'm going to do the same process. I'm going to repeat the same process to the other side of the frontal as well. With the slicing technique, it's just parting off a straight line in the section of the hair. As you guys can see, the line there is straight. So those are the two techniques for hair coloring. I'm going to part two small sections of the frontal using the color red for those areas, and then for the middle portion of this frontal, I'm going to use the color magenta. So I'm alternating from red to magenta. Proceeding to wash the hair. As you guys can see, this hair took the color phenomenally. The vibrancy of this hair, the vibrancy along with the color, oh my god, y'all. We are going to be using the Kerastase shampoo. This is for color treated hair. It's going to make the color vibrant, and also it's going to make the color last longer. Yeah, I'm just going to wash the hair. I'm going to shut up and I'm going to show you guys everything. And yeah. Right, my beauty, stay tuned for the part two of this video, which is going to be the installation and the styling of this hair. And this is the color. Thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment below on what you guys think. I love you guys. See you on my next video. Love y'all.